Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm super happy because I just checked my subscribers count and it's 600. So basically I started this channel on June, the first week of June, and without sharing my content on any platform or with any friends or family, I've reached 600 subscribers. So this is a very big achievement for me. So thank you all for subscribing to my channel and supporting me to create more and more videos. Thank you so much. So for today's recipe, it's going to be very simple but very delicious. It's a chicken appetizer. So from the time I got to know about this recipe, I stopped ordering these starters, the packet starters like chicken nuggets or popcorn or chicken fillets, because it's very easy to make. So today I'm making chicken popcorn, and yes, of course, because it's India versus Australia 2013 ICC World Cup, and we are super excited at home. And my daughter just told me that she wants to eat popcorn, so I was just thinking I'll surprise her with chicken popcorn, not the normal popcorn. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, I've taken here 400 grams of chicken, that's boneless breast piece, and now we will start cutting them into cubes. Alright, so I've cut them into cubes. Okay, this is the size. Just imagine a popcorn and cut it accordingly. And now make sure that you take a deeper bowl because it will help us in marination. Now for marination, I'll be adding in salt. Now we need to be very careful with the salt. We'll add in very little salt because later on we're just adding few ingredients that will already have some salt in it. And we can always adjust the salt later. That's not a problem. Okay, and now I'll be adding in ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'll be adding in around half teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now this is less spicy. Onion powder, half teaspoon. Now this is for that extra flavor. Now if in case you want to skip the white pepper powder and onion powder, you can do that. That's not a problem. Because the next ingredient that I'll be adding in, that's the red hot chili sauce. So that will balance most of the flavors. Okay, that's it. And we will be adding in buttermilk. Now what will happen is this buttermilk will help the chicken tenderize along with the sauce that I've added. Okay, so you see the reason why I asked you to take a deeper bowl, because this chicken will nicely get submerged in the buttermilk. Okay, so all the spices that we added in, okay, will make the chicken tastier. So now we will keep this for marination. I'll marinate this for around 1 to 2 hours. You can keep it overnight also, that's not a problem. And anyways, I'll not be making all of this. I'll just make some, and some I'll keep it for tomorrow. Just make sure that you add spices according to your taste. If you want it spicy, you can increase the spice. And one more thing, just make sure that you don't add too much spice now, because the next process, that is the coating of this chicken, will have more spices added in. So you can adjust the spice later on also. So now I'll just keep this in a refrigerator for marination. Okay, so it's been around 2 hours that I kept this marinated. Okay, the chicken is nicely marinated with the buttermilk. And now, as I don't want the entire chicken to be fried now, because I'll be frying it in batches, half I'll be frying it today, half will be tomorrow. So I'll just separate this in another bowl. Okay, so this would be around 200 grams of chicken that I'll be using now. Now in this, I'll be adding 1 egg white. Okay, and now I'll add in corn flour powder. Okay, so I've just added 2.5 teaspoon of corn flour powder. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just use my hands because there are some lumps of this corn flour powder which I just need to break, and that is possible only with my hands. Alright, and now we'll prepare the coating. Alright, now for the coating, I've taken your corn flakes, so I'll just crush it. Some more. Okay, just crush it. Just roughly crush it, don't make it a powder. I'll add in little breadcrumbs. Now, if you don't have cornflakes, you can also use rava. It's not a problem. Alright, and here I'll also be adding in a little bit of chili flakes just for that extra spiciness. And here you can just add in little salt. So your coating is ready, and now we will heat oil in a pot for deep frying. So now we will start with the frying process. So now I'm heating some oil in a pot, and the meanwhile we'll start coating the chicken. So the reason why I've taken a box is because it becomes easier to coat the chicken well. And now I'll just cover this with a lid and just shake it. Okay, shake it nicely, and the chicken will get coated nicely with all the cornflakes and breadcrumbs. Okay, so the oil is heated, and now we will drop the chicken in. As you can see, it's coated very nicely. Start dropping it. Okay, the chicken will not take much time to cook, so you don't have to worry because the buttermilk and the sauces and all the marination has already done its job. Okay, I've put the flame low because the oil is already hot. So we'll just fry it. Okay, so it's been around 2.5 minutes. Now I will remove the chicken. Our popcorn is ready. Okay, that's it. Our chicken popcorn is ready. Okay, look at this. It's that simple to make this chicken popcorn. So let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like the video, and share this with your friends and family. Make this chicken popcorn. It's very delicious. The kids love it. My daughter loves it. Okay, look at this. Hear this crunchiness. Amazing. So my name is Stan. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.